Hey everybody, how you doing? It is Mr. Bookman, and I will be reading Paradise Sands by A.B. Penfold. Please enjoy.
Initially, he came in the fall, and it got cold, so the giraffes were kind of hunkered down for the winter in the building, so we didn't really have any opportunities for him to actually go into the yard.
It was dry and dusty, and it was Bill driving, Danny in the passenger seat, and Bob beside me in the back. We should take flowers. Mom would like flowers, I said. White roses. We follow towards Teller's Hollow, sang Bill, laughing, remembering. That nonsense, I said, is nonsense. And that was how he felt the road. We worked our way along the bank. Soon we had picked a lovely banquet, but the heat left us gasping. Further along the track was a silent building. Dead earth to a spring. A house of a king, sang Bill, was another laugh. I remember if we could ask for a drink of water, said Danny. We have enough flowers now, I said. Mom will be waiting. But my brothers are thirsty. Without another word, they make their way toward the quiet building. I watched them drink deeply through the spring. Afterwards, Bill did not sing. A sip from the chalice. We entered his palace. We did not laugh. All was quiet and still. Nobody seemed to be in. I think we should leave, I said. I called after my brothers as they climbed the stairs. They did not hear me as the door swung inward. Danny was muttered that he was hungry, or was muttering that he was hungry. Inside was a table linen with food. Mom's voice sang in a memory, break bread for the keeper. Now we descend deeper. I'm so hot, said Bill. After they ate and the air is too dry, I tried to tell them that the flowers were dying, that we should leave, but the voices disappeared into the silence. Cool water beckoned, washed clean in his pool. We fall under his rules. Away from what is, we all are now his. I called for help, but his cries were answered only by echoes. I run from the locked door to another, from hollow windows to empty courtyards, but no help came, so I turned back to the pool.
I'm going to make it into meatballs. Today we're going to be with Alden on exhibit.
And there he was. Who are you? He asked. I have many names, but you could call me the teller, said the teller. Won't you drink? I don't want to drink, I said. I only want to leave with my brothers. Your brothers have made their decisions, he said. They took what was offered. They belong here now, and they must live by our rules. But you must be hungry. Won't you eat?
We'll be doing an immersion demonstration at our wall with Alden. It allows the public to see the type of training that we do with our tigers.
I will not eat or drink, he said again. And I will not leave without my brothers. Foolish girl, he said, you won't. You would rather starve than be part of paradise. You belong here. A place is waiting just for you, a wonderful, safe place. My brothers and I are part of a family. We belong together, not with you. The teller considered, then uttered a high sigh. These days, he said, you have 3 days. 3 days without eating or drinking, and things will be as they were before you come here. But if you take any food or water during that time, you will stay. Are these terms acceptable to you? I looked straight into his eyes and I accepted his terms. On the first day, there was a banquet of the residents. I either ate or drank. On the second day, the feasting continued. I neither ate or drank, nor drank. On the third day, there was only heat and the sun. I neither ate nor drank, but I did give a little water to the flowers to keep them alive.
The sick truck response by just over a month at the health center where he was getting fairly aggressive medical support and care. As far as what made Louis sick, we don't have a specific infection. We knew he was fighting something, so the care that we gave him was pretty broad.
As dusk fell onto the third day, the teller returned. I am impressed, he said. I did not eat. I did not drink, I said. Now you must keep your word. Not just yet, he said. You did not eat and you did not drink, but you did take water. I did not eat. I did not drink, I said. These were our terms. Give me my brothers back. Oh, I will, said the teller. And the hotel, the residents, and the teller all exploded into dust. I fought my way back to the track, down past the dust-beaten flowers as I scrambled down the slopes to our car. The dust whispered into my ear, I will return your brothers. It said, the agreement stands. I will not drink and did not eat, but you did steal water from me, and I will take something from you in return. One day your own daughters and sons will visit me here, and if they choose to stay, they are mine. I wrenched the car door open, and there was Bob asleep. I fell into the seat beside him and closed my eyes.
Outside, my buddy. We're gonna be introducing Abigail and Jigsaw together. And we're gonna do that Jigsaw momentarily. She can be a bit intimidating. She might be a little.
And it was Bill driving, Danny in the passenger seat, and Bob beside me in the back. Bob was doing his chicken impression, and the others were hooting with laughter as if nothing had happened. At least we were there. We went past reception, up 2 floors to the elevator, and there was Mom. Bob, Danny, and Bill all hugged her in return. We brought flowers, I said. Mom looked carefully at the flowers, then deep into my eyes. A shadow of something crossed her face, something like concern, or maybe an old wound. From Teller Hollow, she asked. From Teller Hollow, I replied, my voice trembled. I looked away. We both understood. And we drove home. Oh, wasn't that a cool story? I thought so. She got her brothers back, and she kept her promise, huh? Well, everybody, hope all of you enjoyed this book reading, and if you did, can you give it a big thumbs up? Smash that thumbs up button. Can you do that? If you're new and you came along this book reading, can you hit that red subscribe button down below and subscribe to my channel and check out my other book readings I got? I got plenty, so feel free to check them out. Also hit that notification bell. Whenever I upload, you'll be notified. But until my next book reading, they call me Mr. Bookman, and this book reading's over. Have a good one, and take care, everybody.